फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंशिया। तो हमारा जो चैप्टर चल रहा है लाइफ प्रोसेसिंग इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। तो हमारा यहाँ पे बडिंग का प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो चुका है। अब हम असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का सेकंड पार्ट देखेंगे। सो असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, यानी कि द सेल्स विच हैव अ नंबर ऑफ सेल्स कॉल्ड एज द मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स। तो इसमें हमें क्या पढ़ना है? असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। ओके, नाउ देर आर सम स्टेप्स in asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. First one is the fragmentation. Second one is the regeneration. Okay, and third one is the budding. Fourth one is the vegetative propagation. Fifth one is the spore formation. So these are the 5 different types of processes in asexual reproduction in a multicellular organism. तो फ्रेगमेंटेशन में हमको जो एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है वो है स्पायरोगारा में। क्या में? स्पायरोगारा। This type of asexual reproduction occurs in multicellular organism. Fragmentation किस में होता है? Multicellular organisms में होता है। In this type of reproduction, the body of parent organism break up into many fragments, and each fragment start to live as an independent new organism. In process of fragmentation, the parent body break down into number of pieces or fragments, and each fragment of this organism live independently as a new organism. So this type of reproduction occur in algae, Spirogara, sponges and Cycon. Okay, now whenever there is a plenty of water and nutrients are available to Spirogara, its filaments grow up very fast and break up into many small fragments. Whenever the plenty of water and nutrients means water and food is available, so the Spirogara grow up fast and break into many small fragments. Each fragment start to live independently as a new Spirogara. और उसके बाद जो भी अपना न्यू स्पायरोगारा का फ्रेगमेंटेशन होने के बाद जितने भी फ्रेगमेंट्स हो गए उसमें का एक एक फ्रेगमेंट, the only one fragment also live as a new Spirogara. If the body cycon break up accidentally into many fragments, if the body of cycon break into new number of fragment accidentally, so each fragment develop into new cycon. So this is the process of fragmentation. So fragmentation is a nothing but a number of breakdown in a parent cell, and number of fragments are formed of these organisms, and each organisms live independently as a new species. Okay, now second one process is a regeneration. So you can see here regeneration form in a planaria. So see, it is the whole body. Now the white parts are a deleted part. Now this deleted part adding by new, and this deleted part regenerate new cells and complete their whole body. That means you may know that the while lizard break up and discard some part of its tail in emergency. कि अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है और वो अपने टेल, हेड या किसी भी टाइप के बॉडी के ऑर्गन को क्या करता है, इमरजेंसी में डिजेनरेट कर देता है या डिस्कार्ड कर देता है या ब्रेकअप हो जाता है, तो फिर उसी जगह पे न्यू पॉइंट फॉर्म हो जाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल प्लानेरिया में अगर हेड क्या हो गया, डिस्कार्ड हो गया, तो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़े दिनों बाद वो न्यू हेड रीजनरेट कर लेगा। अगर टेल डिस्कार्ड हो गया तो न्यू टेल जनरेट कर लेगा, और इस तरह से फिर से उसी फॉर्म में बॉडी क्या हो जाएगी, कंप्लीट हो जाएगी। सो इट इज़ अ रीजनरेशन प्रोसेस whenever the breaking part or discard part regenerate their self and form a body as like usual. सो डिस्कार्ड पार्ट इज रीजनरेटेड आफ्टर अ पीरियड। और ये जो रीजनरेट पार्ट होता है इसके लिए कुछ टाइम पीरियड लगता है। क्या लगता है? टाइम पीरियड लगता है कि ऐसे सडनली नहीं हो जाएगा कि टेल डिस्कार्ड हो गई और फिर 5 मिनट बाद टेल आ गई, हेड डिस्कार्ड हो गया और फिर 5 मिनट बाद हेड आ गया। नो, इट नीड अ specific time period. This is an example of limited regeneration, and it is example of a limited regeneration. Whenever the head, tail is breakdown or discard, the organism regenerate these organs itself. So this is in a limited regeneration. However, under certain situation, an animal planaria break up its body into 2 parts, and thereafter each part regenerate remaining part of the body, and thus 2 new planaria formed. So whenever the planaria body break their body parts into pieces or regenerate or discarded, this planaria regenerate this is discard parts or deleted parts or breakup parts regenerate after a specific time, and the new planaria are formed. This is called as the process of a regeneration. Now third one part is a budding process. In case of hydra, see here, in hydra, this is a new buds are formed, and these new buds grow up and nascent hydra or small hydras are formed. So see here in the theory, in case of hydra, under favorable conditions, whenever the condition is balanced at a specific part of its body, an outgrowth is formed by repeated division of regenerative cells of a body cells. In hydra, whenever the favorable conditions is available, there is a outgrowth of cell by a repeated division in the cell, and this outgrowth part is a bud. So bud grow up progressively and finally forms a small hydra, and this bud grow up and this part is called as the nascent hydra. So dermal layers and digestive cavity of the budding hydra are in continuity with those of the plant parent hydra. But whenever the bud form, nascent hydra is formed, the system of digestion and digestive cavity of budding hydra in continuity from their parent cell. Parent hydra supplies nutrition to the budding hydra, and this parent hydra, this is so see here, this is a parent hydra supply the nutrition to the nascent hydra or a small hydra or a new hydra. So budding hydra separate from parent hydra and start to lead an independent life when it grow up, and whenever this hydra grow up, they live independently and become able to lead an independent life. And same as a continuity, this new hydra will also form a bud, and this bud changes into nascent hydra, and the same procedure is continue. The nutrition supply from parent hydra to the newly formed hydra. Now fourth one process is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Here the examples of vegetative propagations in here. See here sweet potato, the bryophyllum or the potato. ठीक है. That means reproduction in plants with the help of vegetative parts like root, stem, leaf, bud is called vegetative reproduction. Whenever the new cells produced by their by their vegetative parts means like a root, leaf, stems, and new cells or new organs are formed from a vegetative propagation. So vegetative propagation in potato is performed with the help of their eyes, with the eyes present on tubers, whereas in a bryophyllum it is performed by with the help of buds present on leaf margin. It is a leaf margin of a bryophyllum, and here some buds are present on a leaf margin which form a new bryophyllum. Same as like in a potato tubers, the eyes are present on potato, form a new potatoes, same as like in a sweet potato also. In case of plants like sugarcane, grasses, vegetative propagation occur with the help of bud present on nodes. Everyone knows that the sugarcane has this like a structure, and there is a node and internode. So this part is called as the node, and this part is called as the internode. So from their nodes the new sugarcane will form, so which is called as the vegetative propagations. Plants like carrot and radish perform vegetative propagation with the help of roots, but in a sweet potato and carrot the vegetative propagation form from their roots. So here we complete the process of vegetative propagation, sterility of propagation. Now our next point is the spore formation. What is spore formation? So see here, a piece of a bread, whenever bread and roti form a greenish layer if it become old, and here some small spores are presented, and the spore formation, its spores, it is a rhizoids, and it is a sporangium. It is the structure of a spore. Now see the process of a spore formation. So take a piece of bread or bhakri, that means roti, keep it in humid place. कहाँ रखना है हमें? humid place में रखना है. फंगस विल ग्रो ऑन इट विथ 2 to 3 days. सो जो भी हम ब्रेड या रोटी लेंगे, अगर उसे 2-3 दिन हम एक ह्यूमिड प्लेस में रख देंगे तो 2-3 दिन बाद वहाँ पे फंगस फॉर्म हो जाएंगे. सो ऑब्जर्व द फंगस अंडर कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप एंड ड्रॉ इट्स डायग्राम. तो अगर हम उस फंगस को क्या करते हैं, माइक्रोस्कोप में चेक करते हैं, तो फंगी लाइक म्यूकर हैव फ्लैमेंट्स बॉडी. तो फ्लैमेंट्स की तरह एक म्यूकर नामी फंगी होता है. दे हैव स्पोरेंजिया, उसके पास क्या होते हैं, स्पोरेंजियास प्रेजेंट्स होते हैं. वंस द स्पोर्स आर फॉर्म्ड, इफ द वन टाइम्स स्पोर इज फॉर्म्ड, स्पोरेंजिया बर्स्ट एंड स्पोर्स आर रिलीज्ड. तो on his green layerish there is a number of sporangia where spores are present, and these spores break down and released sporangia burst and spores are released. Sporangia break down and number of spores are released. Now spores germinate in moist and warm places and new fungi colony is formed. So this spore germinate itself in warm places and new fungal colony is formed. So this is the overall process of a spore formation, and it is the structure of spore formation. Now here a sexual reproduction is completed, both A and B points. In next chapter we will see about the sexual reproduction. जब तक के लिए thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel Academy of Scientia.